In today's rapidly evolving world, innovation in healthcare technology is pushing the boundaries of what we once thought was possible. From artificial kidneys to wearable devices, these groundbreaking inventions are revolutionizing the way we approach healthcare. Developed by alumni of the University of Waterloo, these superhuman technologies are paving the way for a healthier future. In this video, we will explore 8 remarkable inventions that have the potential to save lives. Kidney, an artificial kidney for a new lease on life. The scarcity of available kidneys for transplantation has been a long-standing issue in healthcare. For every 10 people on the waiting list, only 2 receive a kidney. That's where Kidney comes in. Developed by Morteza Amati, a University of Waterloo alum, Kidney offers a groundbreaking solution, an implantable artificial kidney. Designed to function like a regular kidney, this innovative device removes toxins and excess water from the blood, providing hope for those in need of a life-saving transplant. But Kidney's impact doesn't stop there. The company is also working on a portable dialysis machine, aiming to make dialysis more accessible and cost-effective. Kidney's implantable artificial kidney and portable dialysis machine are transforming the landscape of kidney disease treatment, said Morteza Amati. Vena Medical, the world's smallest camera for vascular imaging. Traditionally, physicians have relied on injecting iodine dye into a patient's vein to obtain an X-ray of the blood vessels. However, Michael Phillips and Philip Cooper, alumni of the University of Waterloo, have developed a game-changing alternative. Their invention, Vena Medical, introduces the world's smallest camera, utilizing fiber optics to safely visualize the inside of a patient's blood vessels. This revolutionary technology offers a faster and easier way for physicians to diagnose and treat vascular conditions, providing patients with more precise and efficient care. IntelliJoint Hip, precision and efficiency in hip replacement surgery. Hip replacement surgery is a common procedure, but ensuring accurate implant placement can be challenging. That's where IntelliJoint Hip, developed by Armin Bakurtsian, Andre Hladio, and Richard Fanson, comes into play. Cleared by Health Canada and the FDA, this surgeon-controlled navigation system utilizes inertial sensors to provide real-time measurements during hip replacements. By enabling orthopedic surgeons to accurately select and position implants, IntelliJoint Hip reduces the risk of complications post-surgery and enhances patient outcomes. OcuBlink, advancing eye testing and equipment validation. Validating new equipment and testing eye-related treatments without experimenting on animals can be a complex task. Hendrik Walther, a University of Waterloo alumnus, has developed a groundbreaking solution with OcuBlink. This innovative technology offers a lifelike eye model that can blink at controllable speeds and rates, closely mimicking the human cornea's wetness. OcuBlink is widely utilized by pharmacy and optometry professionals to validate new and existing equipment, providing a more ethical and accurate approach to eye testing. Curiato, AI-powered bedsheet for improved bed sores detection. Bed sores, or pressure ulcers, are a common complication faced by patients with limited mobility. Mozam Khan, Zeedat Leb, and Matthew Safadi, alumni of the University of Waterloo, have developed Curiato, an AI-powered bedsheet designed to identify and monitor bed sores. By utilizing artificial intelligence to detect changes in heat and other factors, Curiato sends real-time updates to caregivers, enabling them to prioritize treatment for patients with various skin conditions. This innovative technology has the potential to significantly improve patient care and prevent the development of debilitating bed sores. Penta Medical, wearable light therapy for soft tissue injuries. Soft tissue injuries, such as sprains and strains, can be incredibly painful and often require extensive rehabilitation. Alexa Roper and Daniel Choi, alumni of the University of Waterloo, have developed Penta Medical, a wearable light therapy device paired with a progress monitoring app. This innovative solution provides relief for individuals suffering from soft tissue injuries by accelerating the healing process. Users can easily control treatment, monitor pain levels, and share data with their physiotherapist or surgeon, enhancing the overall recovery experience. HelpWear, a 24/7 heart monitoring system. Heart health is a critical concern, and early detection of heart-related issues can be life-saving. Andre Bertram and Frank Nguyen, University of Waterloo students, have developed HelpWear, a non-invasive heart monitoring system. This wearable watch continuously monitors heart activity and provides immediate alerts in the event of a heart attack. It also notifies physicians of any minor heart palpitations or arrhythmias, enabling timely intervention and potentially preventing life-threatening situations. LumNeuro, early detection of Alzheimer's through retinal imaging. Alzheimer's disease and other brain-related conditions often go undetected until they reach an advanced stage. Melanie Campbell, Tom Mitchell, and Ron Dennis, alumni of the University of Waterloo, have developed LumNeuro, a non-invasive screening test for early detection of Alzheimer's. By capturing retinal images, LumNeuro can measure amyloid beta deposits associated with Alzheimer's disease. This breakthrough technology provides a widely accessible screening tool that allows researchers to monitor the effectiveness of drug treatments and potentially intervene in the early stages of the disease. To sum up, these 8 superhuman health tech inventions developed by University of Waterloo alumni are transforming the landscape of healthcare. From artificial kidneys to wearable devices, these groundbreaking technologies have the potential to save lives, improve patient outcomes, and revolutionize the way we approach healthcare. With ongoing advancements in health tech, we can look forward to a future where technology and innovation play a central role in promoting a healthier world. These health tech inventions are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in healthcare, offering hope and improved outcomes for patients worldwide. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.